You seem distracted today.
Yeah, a little.
Something happened yesterday?
Yes, at work.
Tell me what happened.
I made mistake.
Big mistake?
Felt very big.
What did you say?
Wrong answer there.
In meeting room?
Yes, everyone there.
That feels intense.
Very intense moment.
What happened next?
Everyone went silent.
Long silence?
Felt like forever.
Did someone speak?
Manager corrected me.
How did that feel?
Very embarrassing moment.
Did you continue speaking?
No, I stopped.
Why did you stop?
I felt too small.
Small in confidence?
Yes, no confidence.
That is tough.
Very tough feeling.
Still thinking about it?
All night long.
What thoughts came?
I am not good.
Do you believe that?
Partly I do.
Other part disagrees?
Yes, it says try.
That part matters.
But fear is louder.
Fear feels louder.
Yes, very loud.
What scared you most?
People watching me.
Watching closely?
Yes, very closely.
Did they judge you?
I think yes.
Or you think so?
Maybe just me.
Be honest now.
I judged myself.
That is important.
It feels true.
What about your voice?
It was shaking.
Did you notice it?
Yes, immediately.
Then your thoughts changed?
Yes, everything changed.
Mind went blank?
Completely blank.
That feels scary.
It was very scary.
Did you want leave?
Yes, very much.
But you stayed there.
Yes, I stayed.
That shows courage.
It felt like panic.
Courage feels like that.
I never thought that.
You faced that moment.
Barely faced it.
Still counts a lot.
Does it really?
Yes, it does.
I feel ashamed, though,
Why feel ashamed?
because I froze there.
That is human behavior.
Feels like failure.
Or learning moment.
I want that.
You can shift perspective.
It feels difficult.
Start very small.
Small steps again?
Yes, always small.
What should I do?
Speak one sentence.
Only one sentence?
Yes, keep simple.
That feels possible.
No long talking.
Short and clear.
Exactly that.
What if freeze again?
Then pause calmly.
And then what?
Say one word.
Just one word?
Yes, just one.
That removes pressure.
Exactly right.
I like that.
No need perfect.
Perfection hurts me.
It blocks action.
Yes, it does.
Let it go.
I will try.
Try or decide.
I will decide.
That sounds strong.
I feel little better.
That is progress.
Talking helps me.
It always helps.
Still little scared.
That is normal.
Tomorrow worries me.
Why tomorrow?
Facing them again.
What scares you most?
Same thing happens.
Same thing again?
Yes, same fear.
Let us pause.
Okay, I pause.
What is worst?
Freezing again.
And then what?
They see me.
They saw already.
Yes, they did.
Did you survive?
Yes, I did.
So what changed?
I feel ashamed.
Feeling or fact?
Just feeling.
Good insight.
It helps little.
Now be honest.
Okay, I will.
Do you want try?
Yes, I want.
Say it stronger.
I want to try.
Even with fear?
Even with fear.
Even if shake?
Even if shake.
That is courage.
Feels like fear.
Courage feels scary.
That is new.
You are growing.
Slowly growing.
Slow is fine.
I accept that.
What is plan?
Go tomorrow.
Good start.
Speak one sentence.
Keep it simple.
If freeze happens,
Pause calmly.
then speak word.
Yes, one word.
That feels safe.
Safe and strong.
I like that.
No need perfect.
No perfect needed.
Just keep going.
Step by step.
Exactly that.
I feel lighter.
That is progress.
Still little nervous.
Nervous is okay.
Means I care.
Yes, you care.
I care deeply.
That is strength.
Feels like weakness.
It is strength.
I see now.
Say it now.
I am strong.
Again, please.
I am strong.
Believe it now.
I will believe.
Tomorrow is chance.
Yes, new chance.
Not same moment.
Feels same though.
But it is new.
I want believe.
Then act like it.
I will act.
Stay in moment.
One moment only.
One sentence only.
One word too.
That is enough.
I feel ready.
Not perfect ready.
Just ready.
That is best.
Thank you today.
You did work.
We did together.
Yes, together.
I changed today.
Say it clear.
I changed today.
Now prove it.
I will.